Welcome to another adventure with VueX. Yearning for turquoise waters, white sand beaches, and a little taste of paradise? Well, pack your bags and grab your sunscreen because we're about to embark on an epic 2-week journey through the breathtaking Caribbean. We'll be island hopping, exploring hidden gems, and soaking up the laid-back Caribbean vibes. Let's dive right in. Touchdown in paradise. Day 1, Puerto Rico. Our adventure begins in beautiful Puerto Rico. Imagine stepping off the plane and feeling that warm, tropical air wash over you. First things first, we'll check into our charming hotel in the heart of San Juan. After settling in, it's time to hit the streets of Old San Juan, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Get ready to be transported back in time as we wander through colorful colonial architecture, cobblestone streets, and historic forts. As the sun begins to set, we'll find the perfect spot to sip on some piña coladas and soak in those magical Caribbean sunset views. Island hopping adventures. Day 2, Culebra and Flamenco Beach. Today, we embark on a journey to one of the most beautiful and serene places in the Caribbean. Get ready for a day trip to paradise, folks. Pack your sunscreen, swimsuits, and a sense of adventure because this is going to be a day to remember. Today, we're hopping on a short flight to Culebra, home to the legendary Flamenco Beach. This tiny island is a hidden gem, offering a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Picture crystal clear turquoise waters, powdery white sand that stretches as far as the eye can see, and lush green hills in the distance. It's a postcard-perfect scene that feels almost too beautiful to be real. We can spend the day swimming, snorkeling, or simply relaxing on the beach, soaking up the sun. The waters here are perfect for spotting colorful fish and vibrant coral reefs. And if you're feeling adventurous, we can even rent kayaks and explore the nearby reefs. Paddle through the calm waters and discover the underwater world teeming with marine life. After an unforgettable day in paradise, we'll head back to San Juan, our hearts full of sunshine and sand between our toes. As the sun sets, we'll carry with us the memories of a perfect day spent in one of the Caribbean's most stunning locations. History and Flavors. Day 3, Old San Juan's Treasures. Today, we're diving deeper into the heart of Old San Juan. We'll start our day at Castillo San Felipe del Morro, a majestic 16th century fort that has stood the test of time and offers breathtaking views of the city and the ocean beyond. Next, we'll wander through the charming streets, admiring the colorful buildings with their wrought iron balconies and vibrant flowers. We'll grab some refreshing piraguas, which are shaved ice treats drizzled with delicious homemade syrups. As we stroll through the plazas, we might even stumble upon some live music or dancing. Chapter 4. Rainforest Escapade, Day 4, El Yunque National Forest. Get ready to trade those flip-flops for hiking boots because today we're venturing into the lush rainforests of El Yunque National Forest. We're talking about towering trees, cascading waterfalls, and a symphony of exotic bird calls. We'll hike through the rainforest, breathing in that fresh mountain air and marveling at nature's wonders. Keep your eyes peeled for the Puerto Rican parrot, a colorful and endangered species that calls this forest home. After our adventure, we'll treat ourselves to some authentic Puerto Rican cuisine at a local restaurant. Chapter 5. Island Time in VueX. Day 5, Bioluminescent Bay. Welcome to the enchanting island of VueX, where time seems to slow down and nature's wonders are around every corner. Get ready for an experience that will leave you glowing, literally. The anticipation builds as we prepare for an unforgettable adventure. Today, we're taking a ferry to the island of VueX, home to Mosquito Bay, one of the brightest bioluminescent bays in the world. The journey itself is a treat, offering stunning views of the Caribbean Sea. Imagine gliding through the water at night, leaving a trail of sparkling blue light in your wake. The water comes alive with every paddle stroke, creating a mesmerizing display of nature's magic. We'll take a kayak tour through the bay, marveling at this magical display. The bioluminescence is caused by tiny organisms called dinoflagellates, which emit light when disturbed. We can spend the day relaxing on its pristine beaches, soaking up the sun and enjoying the serene surroundings. Snorkeling in its crystal clear waters where vibrant coral reefs and tropical fish await. or exploring its laid-back towns. The charming streets are lined with local shops and cafes, offering a taste of the island's culture and hospitality. VueX has something for everyone, from charming guest houses to luxurious beachfront resorts. Whether you're seeking adventure or relaxation, this island paradise promises an unforgettable experience. Chapter 6. Sun, Sand, and Serenity. Day 6. Relax and recharge. After all that exploring, it's time to slow down and embrace the true meaning of island time. Today is all about relaxing, recharging, and soaking up the Caribbean vibes. We can sleep in, enjoy a leisurely breakfast on our balcony, and spend the day lounging by the pool or on the beach. For those who want to stay active, we can go for a swim, try stand-up paddleboarding, or take a yoga class on the beach. And in the evening, we'll treat ourselves to a delicious seafood dinner at a beachfront restaurant. Get ready for a dose of culture and history as we head to Ponce, a city on the southern coast of Puerto Rico known for its beautiful architecture, museums, and vibrant art scene. Ponce, often referred to as La Perla del Sur, or the Pearl of the South, is a treasure trove of historical landmarks and cultural experiences waiting to be discovered. The city boasts a vibrant art scene, with colorful street art and numerous galleries showcasing both contemporary and traditional works. Our first stop will be Parque de Bomba, a historic firehouse known for its striking black and red striped exterior. This iconic building, which dates back to 1883, has become a symbol of Ponce and offers a glimpse into the city's rich firefighting history. Next, we'll visit the Museo de Arte de Ponce, home to a world-renowned collection of European and Puerto Rican art. The museum's impressive collection includes works by famous artists such as Francisco Oller and Frederick Leighton, making it a must-visit for art enthusiasts. We'll stroll through the city center, admiring the beautiful colonial buildings that line the streets. These well-preserved structures offer a window into the past, showcasing the architectural styles that have shaped the city's unique character. The central plazas, with their charming fountains and lush greenery, provide a perfect spot to relax and soak in the local atmosphere. Of course, no trip to Ponce would be complete without trying some local specialties. From bacalaitos to empanadillas, the street food here is a culinary delight that reflects the island's rich culinary heritage. With its rich culture, stunning architecture, and welcoming atmosphere, Ponce is a city that will capture your heart. Whether you're an art lover, history buff, or simply looking to explore a new destination, Ponce offers something for everyone. So come and discover the magic of this enchanting city for yourself. Hold on to your taste buds, folks, because today is all about indulging in the delicious flavors of the Caribbean. We'll start our day with a visit to a local market, where we'll sample exotic fruits, fresh juices, and local specialties. For lunch, we'll head to a casual eatery and savor some mofongo, a Puerto Rican dish made with mashed plantains and your choice of meat, seafood, or vegetables. And for dinner, we'll experience the catch of the day at a beachfront restaurant. From street food to fine dining, the Caribbean offers a culinary adventure for every taste bud. So come hungry, my friends! Get ready for a journey back in time as we hop over to the Dominican Republic, a country rich in history, culture, and natural beauty. Our adventure begins in Santo Domingo, the oldest city in the Americas, founded in 1496. We'll visit the Cathedral Primada de America, the oldest cathedral in the Americas, and Alcázar de Colón, a palace that once belonged to Christopher Columbus's son. And of course, no trip to the Dominican Republic would be complete without experiencing the rhythm of merengue. Chapter 10. Paradise Found. Day 10. Punta Cana's pristine shores. Get ready to experience the epitome of a Caribbean paradise as we head to Punta Cana, home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world. We'll spend our days swimming, sunbathing, and sipping on refreshing cocktails. Punta Cana is the perfect place to relax, unwind, and create unforgettable memories. Chapter 11. Adventure Awaits. Day 11. Exploring the Dominican Outback. Today we're trading those beach chairs for a little adventure as we head off the beaten path to explore the Dominican Outback. Get ready for stunning landscapes, hidden waterfalls, and a chance to experience the real Dominican Republic. We'll hop on dune buggies and zoom through the countryside, feeling the wind in our hair and the sun on our faces. From its stunning scenery to its warm hospitality, the Dominican Outback will steal your heart. Chapter 12. Island Feast, Day 12, Dominican Flavors. Get ready for a culinary journey through the Dominican Republic as we indulge in some of the country's most delicious dishes. We'll start our day with a traditional Dominican breakfast of mango, mashed plantains topped with fried cheese, salami, and onions. For lunch, we'll head to a local eatery and savor some la bandera, the national dish of the Dominican Republic. And for dinner, we'll experience a taste of Dominican seafood. From its hearty stews to its fresh seafood, Dominican cuisine is sure to leave you satisfied. Chapter 13. Trip Essentials and Tips. Before we wrap up this incredible Caribbean adventure, let's talk about the practical stuff: budget, packing, and all those little details that make a trip run smoothly. For 2 people, you can expect to spend around $5,000 to $7,000 for this 2-week itinerary, depending on your travel style and preferences. When it comes to packing, think lightweight and breathable clothing. The best time to visit the Caribbean is during the dry season, which runs from December to April. And remember, pack your sense of adventure, your curiosity, and your willingness to embrace the laid-back Caribbean lifestyle. Chapter 14. Until next time, paradise. And there you have it, folks. Your epic 2-week Caribbean adventure. From exploring historic cities to relaxing on pristine beaches, we've covered it all. I hope this itinerary has inspired you to start planning your own Caribbean getaway. Get out there and explore the world. And be sure to subscribe to VueX for more travel inspiration and adventures.